How to request special meals on Turkish Airlines. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can request special meals on Turkish Airlines. So you can always request special meals on Turkish Airlines, perhaps for infants, for children, or if you have any religious beliefs or dietary preferences. And how do you request this? You have to note that for you to be able to make special meals request, your request must have been submitted at least 24 hours before the flight through the website, the mobile application, or through the call center or sales offices. So if you're watching this video when it is past 24 hours before the flight, just note that it's already too late. So before you can make a special music request, you have to ensure that it's at least 24 hours before the flight so that Turkish Airlines customer service can make appropriate preparations for you, right? And then how can you make this request? You can make this request by contacting the customer support directly. And how can you contact this customer support? After logging in into your account, go to the top part of the screen and click on the help option that you can see next to the discover tab. So once you click on the help tab, a box will be displayed in the box. Click on help center. Once you click on help center, you'll be directed to the help center's page. Now on this page, to contact the customer support directly, just scroll down. Okay, scroll up again, scroll down, and you would see the contact us option by the um left side of the screen. Then once you click on contact us, a box will be displayed. Click on the contact us option. Once you click on the contact us option, you'll be directed to another page where you can select the method of contacting um Turkish Airlines. So you can contact them here by clicking on the Turkish Airline Health Center. You can decide to speak with the travel agent by clicking on the link here that will direct you to your WhatsApp account, or you can just click on this chat box. Once you click on the chat box option, a box will be displayed. In this box, you can just speak to the virtual assistant directly on the site without having to go to your WhatsApp or without having to go to another application. So once you're on this page, in the search box, you can just type out how you can request for special meals, and then you'll be given a response. Once the response has been given, follow the on-screen instructions given to you and then go ahead and make your request. It is that simple. So this is how you can request special meals or make a special meals request on Turkish Airlines. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.